All right, this will be the second question that I'll be solving on projections of straight lines. In the introduction to this topic, I explained what is meant by projections of straight lines. And I said projections of straight lines have to do with the construction of the front view, the top view, and the end view of a straight line. So after the introduction, I have solved one problem, which happens to be question 1. So this is question 2. So before we look at how this can be done, let us read the question. Here we have a line AB 60 millimeters long, makes an angle of 45 degrees to the vertical plane. The end A is 15 millimeters from horizontal plane and 12 millimeters from the vertical plane. Draw the top view and front view of the line AB. That is the question. So let's look at what we are to do here in order to solve this problem. So the first thing that you need to do is to draw a horizontal line. So you draw a horizontal line, and that will be your XY line. So this is my XY line. So this is point X. So this is point Y here on this line. Okay. So this is my XY line. So the next thing that we are going to do is that take your set square and draw a small vertical line here. So as we have in the question that the line makes an angle 45 degrees to the vertical plane. It makes an angle 45 degrees to the vertical plane. Let's leave that and let's look at the second sentence where we have that the end A is 15 millimeters from horizontal plane. So that 15 millimeters from horizontal plane will be taken. This is my vertical plane now. This is my vertical plane. So if you remember how I explained it in the first example, and this is my horizontal plane. Okay, so now, so the end A as we have here is 15 millimeters from the horizontal plane. So that 15 millimeters, you take it in the vertical plane from XY line here. So take 15 millimeters up from this XY line. So this is 15 millimeters. Then we also have that and 12 millimeters from the vertical plane. So that 12 millimeters from the vertical plane, you take it from XY line down the horizontal plane. So like this. So now, so from this point, so here, this point is point, this is A prime. So this point is A prime and this point is point A. So, sorry, so this is point A, not A prime. From point A on the horizontal plane, draw a horizontal line like this. And from point A prime on the vertical plane, draw a horizontal line like this. All right. Now, the next thing that you want to do now is to work on the first sentence where we have that a line AB 60 millimeters long makes an angle of 45 degrees to the vertical plane. So this angle 45 degrees that the line makes with the vertical plane will be taken on the horizontal plane, to be taken on the horizontal plane. So you can check the introduction to the projections of straight lines. So there I explained everything. So this 45 millimeters will be taken on the horizontal plane. So you take your 45 degrees set square. So you put it here. Okay, so you put it here. Then you draw from this point A here on the horizontal plane. So draw a line like this with your 45 degrees set square. So draw a line that will go in this direction. All right, so after drawing this line, we assume that the line is parallel to the XY line. So we assume that that line of length 60 millimeters is parallel to the horizontal line or XY line. So you come to this point here and take a measurement of 60 millimeters. Take a measurement of 60 millimeters from here. Take a measurement of 60 millimeters from here. So this is 60 millimeters. All right. So now, so the next thing that you need to do is that, so we call this point, we are going to call it point B1. So this is B1. So you take your compass and put it at point A here. Put it at point A here and extend it to point B. Then draw an arc. The arc goes like this. So wherever the arc touch here, this is point B. This is point B. So don't forget that this angle that we have here, this angle, the angle to which this line AB inclined, this angle is 45 degrees. So this angle is 45 degrees, so we put it there. So then, so the next thing that I'm going to do here is to make this line thick. Okay. All right, so I believe you can see the line. So this is line AB, and this line AB is the true length of the line that we are given. And then this line is the top view. This line AB is the top view of the line that we are asked to produce its projection. So this is the top view of line AB. So take note of this. So the next thing that we are going to do is to draw the front view of line AB on the vertical plane. So how do you draw that? So the next thing that you need to do here, from this point B here on this line, project a vertical line. So the line goes like this. So wherever it touch here, so wherever it touch on this line that we produce on the horizontal, on the vertical plane, so you call this point, you call it point B prime. This is B prime. So this A prime, B prime is the front view of line AB. This is the front view of line AB. And it is not the true length of line AB. It is not the true length of line AB because line AB is inclined at an angle 45 degrees to the vertical plane. And I said it in the introduction that when a line is parallel to a particular plane, it will have its true length on that plane to which it is parallel. So what we have here is that line AB is parallel to the horizontal plane and it is inclined at an angle to the vertical plane. So that's why this is the result that we get for the front view. This is the front view. And this is top view of line AB. So if you look at what we have here, so this line, as we are told in the question, that line AB has a length of 60 millimeters. So this is 60 millimeters. If you take a measurement, if you follow the way I do it, or I did it, and you do your own, you also get this line to be 60 millimeters. Why this one cannot be 60 millimeters? So what I have here is 42 and a half. That is what? That is 42 and a half. That is 42.5 millimeters. Because this is not the true length of line AB, and then the line AB is inclined at an angle to the vertical plane, but it is parallel to the horizontal plane. So this is what we are asked to do. So if you are done with this, that means you have answered the question. So this is the front view and this is the top view. So we have produced the projections of line AB. So I believe this is clear to you. So keep on practicing and I'll see you at the top. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not subscribed, so that whenever I upload new video, you get a notification. So, and the subscription is free. You are not paying for it. It is not as you subscribe for your DSTV or GoTV channel. So what you need to do here, just to subscribe. Once you subscribe, you are not to pay for it, so that you can be notified whenever I upload new videos. Thank you. God bless you.